This video will demonstrate one way to turn a lecture into a video using PowerPoint. And here's the basic process we'll follow. We'll start by opening a completed PowerPoint presentation. Then we'll create voice recordings and add them to each slide. Finally, we'll export the entire presentation as a video. To start, open the completed presentation you'd like to work with. As an example, I'll open a grammar presentation on adjective clauses. And on the left navigation panel, select the first slide you'd like to add a voice recording to. In your menu bar, select Insert. Then on the far right, you'll see the Audio button with a drop-down menu. Select Record Audio. After that, the Record Sound window will appear. And before you start recording, you can give a name to your recording. And it's a good idea to name your recordings after the slides, so I'll name mine Introduction. You can press Record to start your voice recording, and press Stop to finish. I'll record an example. Today, we'll discuss the purpose and structure of adjective clauses. To overwrite the recording, just press Record again and start a new one. When you're satisfied with your recording, you can press OK. And remember, we're making a recording only for the slide we selected, not the entire presentation. Now, you can choose the next slide on your left navigation panel and follow the same process. After you've finished the recordings for all of your slides, you can export the presentation as a video. To do that, go to File, then Export. And then select Create a Video 2 times. And you can save the video to your computer. And it's recommended to save the file as an MPEG 4 because they work across the most platforms and media players.